How to fix issues in your Safari browser or Mac browser. These issues can be your page is not loading properly, missing things on the page, or seeing black screen with the stuck loading bar. Follow these 3 steps and all your issues will be resolved. Here you can see Safari, click it here. Here you can see settings, click it here. Here you can see advanced option, click it here. Here you can see show features for web developers, click it here. Now close this. Now you can see develop option, click it here. Here you can see empty caches, click it here. Now close the Safari browser. Now hold down the shift key as you launch the Safari browser again. This will resolve 90% issues of your Safari browser. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.